Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update Form 8829 for business use of home, detailed guide step by step clearly. To update Form 8829 for business use of home, start by gathering all necessary documents. Review the previous year's Form 8829 for any carryover expenses or depreciation. Ensure you have your current business records ready, including income statements and expense receipts. Identify the specific areas of your home that are used for business purposes. Measure the total area of your home and the area used exclusively for your business. Calculate the percentage of your home used for business by dividing the business area by the total area. Update the information in Part 1 of Form 8829 with your new measurements. Next, proceed to Part 2 to report any expenses associated with your home, such as mortgage interest, utilities, and repairs. Be sure to include only the expenses related to the portion of your home used for business. If you have any changes in indirect expenses, such as utilities, adjust these figures accordingly. In Part 3, calculate depreciation if your home is owned, based on the prior depreciation calculated. If you have rented your business space, ensure you update any rental expenses. Double-check the calculations to ensure accuracy, particularly in apportioning expenses related to business use. Once all sections are complete and verified, enter the total allowable deduction on your tax return. Make sure to keep all supporting documents together in case of an audit. Finally, file your updated Form 8829 alongside your tax return before the deadline. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.